Hey guys, I have an even way cooler demo now. A couple of previous demos I showed about creating lattices and creating objects and attaching chemical species to them. So in this one, we go ahead and put it all together. We can make a object type here, and we can add we can add actually a vector of chemical species to them just by listing their names, and these actually end up as SBML species. And then when we have multiple objects and we want a transport between them, we can simply write a flux rule here where we specify the object type species name, and diffusion value. We want to make a lot of them, make a unit cell, and create a lattice out of these guys, and specify the initial conditions of one object there, and go ahead and run the model. And this is running in real time. This code right now is running on the CPU. Currently, it's actually pretty non-optimized, but it is designed so that we can write all of the integration and flux rules in assembly instructions. And it's set up to be so that we can eventually run this on the GPU. There we go. Reaction transport in about 10 lines of Python running in real time. Thanks.